How to reset your forgotten Roblox account password. So first you want to head to roblox.com, and if you're already signed in, you want to click on the settings icon and then just log out. Now in the login page, you want to click on forgot password or username, and then you want to type your username, email, or phone number, and then you want to press next. Now they should send you a 6-digit code to your email address or phone number. And if you haven't received it, wait a few seconds and click on resend code to send it again. And then just copy the code from your email and paste it here. And it should basically ask you to enter a new password for your account. And once you enter a new password, just simply click on the update password button. And this should change your password. Now, once you change your password, you can log back into your account. You want to go back to the login page and then simply just type your username and your new password, and then you can log in. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.